Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes chocolate chip, only way. Whisk 2 cups flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tsp baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a bowl, then mix wet ingredients separately. Combine until just blended, stir in 1 cup chocolate chips, let batter rest for 5 minutes. Preheat griddle to medium, butter lightly, pour 1/4 cup batter per pancake, cook until bubbles form and flip, serve warm. I like to keep batter slightly lumpy to avoid tough pancakes, so mix just until combined. Use room temperature milk and eggs for a smoother batter, and melt butter then cool before adding. Test griddle heat with a drop of batter. Adjust to maintain medium heat. For even cooking, use a 1/4 cup scoop in space pancakes, and finish with butter and syrup or fruit for serving. Serve immediately for best texture and enjoy warm with family. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and helps me make more recipes. Quick recommendation. I saw a book that can truly change how you think about money, Dollar Banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, and I find its clear advice oddly comforting while flipping pancakes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Common mistakes include overmixing batter, cooking on too high heat, and adding too many chips which can sink. If pancakes brown too quickly, lower heat and cover briefly. For fluffier pancakes, separate eggs and beat whites to soft peaks, then fold gently into batter. For chocolate intensity, use a mix of semi-sweet and dark chips or add a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Plate with butter, syrup, or sliced bananas. They keep well briefly in a low oven while you finish the batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.